Hi there, salon professionals. Welcome to jobs.dasalonindia.com, the only jobs portal dedicated to salon industry. Today we'll guide you through creating the perfect profile that will showcase your talent and unlock endless opportunities. Open jobs.dasalonindia.com and register. As a professional, select Looking for Job and verify your mobile number. Enter name, email, ID, and create password. Go to menu and click on Profile. Click on Edit Basic Details and enter your basic details like key skills, gender, date of birth, address. Click on Edit Job Preferences and enter details like preferred locations. You can add maximum 3 locations. Expected salary and joining availability, which means how soon you join the job. Click on Edit Career Details and enter current job profile, job location, current salary. Over here you can also add your employment history. Do not forget to add your past work images and videos. Click on Edit Educational Details, add total experience year, and do not forget to add professional training certificates if you are a trained professional. Once the profile is complete, you are all set to apply in your dream salon and get salary you deserve. Ready to take the next step in your career? Head over to jobs.dasalonindia.com